Hi friends, welcome to my channel. It's t.Michaela. Today's video is going to be a straight to curly, how I get my curls to bounce back after a silk press. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, my hair looks old and tired after being in a bun for almost a week, so let's go ahead and get straight to this wash process. I'm going to fully saturate my hair with water, and then I'm going to go in with my Aussie Moist conditioner. I find that using conditioner helps me with my reverting back from straight to curly process. It also helps kind of like detangle or ensure that I don't have any tangles in my hair, which also makes it easier for when I go back in with my shampoo because it's easier to detangle with my shampoo. So now my hair is detangled. I'm going to go in with my shampoo now from the Shea Moisture Hydration shampoo. I actually love this shampoo. I've been using it for a long time. It's color safe. It's balanced moisture. I love it. It's everything. That and the Mielle shampoo, highly recommend. But I do tend to shampoo my hair twice. This just ensures that I get all the gel and stuff that I had on my hair out. And now that my hair is freshly washed, I'm going to go ahead with my hair mask. We're going to deep condition to kind of rejuvenate our hair back to its, normal, healthy, curly self. So I'm going to split my hair into two halves, and then I eventually split those halves into quarters. So in total, I have 4 sections in my hair for when I apply my hair mask. And before I apply it, I am going to make sure that my hair is saturated with water still. So each section will be saturated with water before I apply my hair mask. I just find this works so much easier. Just make sure that the deep conditioner can easily slip through my hair. As you can see here, it also helps with like tangles and everything. Pretty much doing what I did with the Aussie conditioner, I'm doing for my hair mask. So after I apply my hair mask, I'm going to go in with the Mielle mint almond oil, and I'm just going to put this all over my strands. I actually love this oil. It's very light, but I don't know, I just love it. It's very hydrating as well. But if you know Mielle, then you know all her stuff is bomb. So if you don't know, I think you should go try it out. I also let this sit in my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes under heat, and then I will rinse it out with some warm to cool water. Rinsing this hair mask out has made me realize how healthy my hair has gotten over the past couple of months, and how important having a strict regimen for your hair care can be super beneficial. And incorporating hair mask weekly is something that you can do to ensure that your hair can just get back to its natural state of what it used to be or what it can be. So after I rinse my deep conditioner out, this is what my hair is looking like. So enjoy this little slow-mo that I did. So healthy. So now I'm going to go in and moisturize my hair. Today I'm going to be using the Camille Rose Honey Leave-In. This has been one of my newly favorite staple leave-ins for my hair. It is so hydrating. It easily penetrates your hair strands and keeps your hair, it just locks in a lot of moisture. So I'm going to apply that to each quadrant. I do 4 sections again, just like I applied my hair mask. After I apply the honey leave-in, I'm going to go back in with the Camille Rose oil. I think it's I'll put it on the screen. I can't remember the exact name of the oil, but it will be on the screen and in the description box, just to lock in all the goodness of that honey leave-in, because it is so bomb, y'all, so good. And after that, I'm going to split each quadrant in half, detangle it, and twist it up, and I will do this to all 4 quadrants of my hair. Okay, I just wanted to briefly show you all how the leave-in and the oil look after I apply it straight onto my hair without twisting it up. It's not the best look, but you can pretty much see, you get what I'm saying. After I twist all my hair up, I do apply some more of the Camille Rose oil to my scalp, and I'm ready to style my hair. So this is the finished look of my hair. I will leave the products I used down in the description box below. I am actually very pleased that I had no heat damage from my silk press that I did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn your notification bell on. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video.